How to turn power on and power off sounds on your new iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable the feature called power on and power off sounds on your new iPhone 14. So, to do that, first of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and then go to accessibility. After that, scroll down and then go to audio/visual. Now you can see the option power on and power off sounds. So simply toggle this bar on. Now once you've done that, your iPhone will play sound when it is powered on or powered off. So let me show you an example real quick. So let me simply shut down my iPhone. Now listen carefully. So that is the sound your iPhone will make when it is turned on or turned off from now on. So let me show you by turning it on again. So as you heard, that was basically the new feature which was added to the new iPhone 14s this year. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.